Hi everyone! First of all, I would like to show you on how to install Parrot OS in your virtual machine. So right now, as you can see, our virtual machine is already open, so all you have to do is to click Install Parrot. Choose zone where we live, and we choose Asia for region and Kuala Lumpur for zone. For keyboard, choose default English US. Choose erase this and click next. Here, we need to put an account and password for our virtual machine. This is the summary and click Install Now. And lastly, wait until it's done and reboot the virtual machine. Now you have Parrot OS in your virtual machine.
We start our VM. After the Parrot OS installed, we need to insert the password. And click menu button in the Parrot OS. And then type cmd, which are xterm. Then type ifconfig. To know our IP address, and this is our IP address. And then type route. After that, open cmd in the Windows. And type ipconfig. Now we will ping from host to VM and from VM to host. Then type ping /n 1/i3 and IP address. After that, open the Nmap on Parrot OS. And open the Wireshark on the Windows. For scan the Nmap from Parrot OS, we have to choose Picture Box. And filter the OS IP address in the Wireshark. Then we use command ping /1/3/n/c and IP address. Then, to scan a single host of IP address, we use Nmap, IP address, and this Wireshark capture.
Okay, next, for TCP xscan, we use command nmap-sa IP address. And then this is the Wireshark capture. Okay, next, for OS detection, version detection, and trace out, we use command nmap. We use command nmap-a and IP address. So this is the Wireshark capture. Next, for the last command, we want to send custom TCP flags. So we use command nmap -pn -n -scamflags1 -port 80 IP address. So we see for scamflag1 Wireshark capture. Next, we try for scamflag2. Okay, so this is Wireshark capture for scamflags2. Next, we try for scamflag4. Okay, we will see the Wireshark capture. And next, we try scamflag6. Okay, next, we try for scamflags8. So we will see the Wireshark capture for scamflag8. Next, we try for scamflags 128. And we see the Wireshark capture for scamflag 128. And for the last, we will try scamflag 256. So we will see for the scamflag 256, we cannot scan and cannot capture the Wireshark because the number is only from 0 until 255 only. So that's all from us. Thank you.